Hello guys, I'm Mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to draw this sketch exercise, and we will draw these lines and we will apply the dimensions and relations, and we will make this sketch fully fine. And before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have the SolidWorks open. For creating a new part, just click on new part, okay? And now we have a new part in the SolidWorks, and for drawing a sketch, first thing first, we have to choose a plane. And here we have three standards plane: front plane, top plane, and right plane, or we can create plane in the SolidWorks. But I will tell you what's the use of these planes, and for now just click on the front plane and here click on a sketch. Now we have open a sketch. You can see the sketch here, and here we have the open sketch. First thing first, we have to draw a slot, and then we will trim the lines here, and then we will draw a rectangle. So let's draw a slot here. Here I choose a center point slot, a straight slot, and you can see as I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that the center of our slot will be connected to the origin point. If I click on this orange point here, so here I click on the origin point, and you can see as I move the line here, a yellow symbol appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the vertical relation will be automatically applied to my center line. So here I draw a slot, and I right click, select to exit the tool. If you can't see the dimensions or the relations, come in hide and show items, and here in view sketch relation, you can turn the view sketch relation on or off, or you can do it with view sketch dimensions. You can turn it on or we can turn it off. So let's keep drawing. The dimension of the radius of the arc here is 15 millimeters. So here I choose a smart dimension, and I give the arc here a radius of 15 millimeter. And now we have to draw a rectangle. So here I choose corner rectangle, and I draw a rectangle here, and I right click, select to exit the rectangle tool. Now we have to make the center of the line here horizontal to the origin point. For doing that, you can just come here, and you can see as I move the mouse here, a point appears. It means that this is the center of my point. Or I can right click on the line here, and here I can select midpoint, and it will select the middle of the line here. And now hold the control button and choose the origin point here, and in add relation, give it horizontal relation. Now we have to make middle of this line vertical to the origin point here. So for doing that, again I right click and I choose select midpoint, and again I choose origin point, and don't forget to hold the control button, and here in add relation I apply the vertical relation. And now I have to give the dimension. Here again I choose a smart dimension, and the dimension of this line is 22 millimeter. And the dimension of this line is 45 millimeter. And this point is coincident to the line here. And for doing that, I hold the control button and I choose this point and the line here, and I give it coincident relation. Okay, you can see as I get close to the line here, the color of them will be changed, and it means that if I click on the line will be chosen. And now all we have to do is just trim the line here. So here I choose a trim entity, and I trim this part, okay, and this part and this one, and I delete all the lines that I don't need here. Yes. Now my sketch is not fully defined because everything is blue, and I have to make the sketch fully defined. And for doing that, you can see we have to apply some relation. So hold the control button and choose this line and this line, and give it equal relation, because these two lines are equal. But my sketch is not fully defined, and I give the relation as long as my sketch is fully defined. and you can see this arc here must be equal to it, to this arc. So I hold the control button and I choose this arc and this one, and here in add relation I give it equal relation, and this point must be horizontal to the point here. So I hold the control button and choose this point and the point here, and I give it horizontal relation. And my sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving, and here I have to make this line constant to the origin point, so my whole sketch won't be moved. Now I have to make this line and the point here, here in add relation I give it constant relation. You can see the color of the entities are changing to black. It means that I am making the sketch fully defined, and my sketch is becoming fixed but my sketch is not still fully defined because the line here is still moving and the arc here is still blue. And just for doing that, I hold the control button and I choose this point and the point here, and I make these 2 points horizontal. Now I can see my sketch is fully defined and I can't move my sketch, and everything is black and here is fully defined. Now all we have to do is just draw these 2 circles, and here choose circle. I mostly use 2-point circle, and I draw 2 circles here at the center of the arc, and hold the control button and choose these 2 circles. These 2 circles are equal, so here I give it equal relation, and here I choose a smart dimension, and the dimension of this circle is 13 millimeter. And yes, we have drawn our sketch. Please practice at home and do it yourself, and please watch my other videos to learn how to draw your sketch and how to make it full fine. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments.